Installing an Endurant automatic manual transmission? Before you bolt it in, let's make sure your input shaft is the right match for your engine. Here's how to check it. Start by locating the part number stamped on the input shaft. This number confirms compatibility with your engine. Compare your measurements to the kit part number chart. Document TRPB 0950 located on the Eaton website. This will help you identify the correct shaft. In our example, the input part number is A10001529. Looking at the kit part number chart, we can see the engine compatible with this input shaft. If the part number is worn off or unreadable, you'll need to measure the shaft manually. Using a tape measure, measure the input shaft as shown in diagram B. Compare your measurements to the kit part number chart. This will help you identify the correct shaft. In our example, our measurement is 3.625. Compare your measurements to the kit part number chart. This will help you identify the correct shaft. If the part number or measurements do not match your engine, do not install the transmission. This will cause severe damage to the engine and transmission components. Instead, contact Weller Truck Parts. We'll help you get the right input shaft before installation. For more tips and support, reach out to Weller or subscribe for updates on transmission installs and parts.